this clip, I'm going to analyze what the coefficient of friction of Mr. Incredible's shoes is, as well as what force he's experiencing. I'm going to assume that the 10-car train weighs 48,000 kilograms, Mr. Incredible weighs 113 kilograms, the train takes 6 seconds to come to a stop, Mr. Incredible's feet maintain a constant contact with the ground, and the brakes of the train are not applied. I'm also going to assume the dimensions and distance between rail ties. Prior to the impact, I can see that the train passes 10 railroad ties in half a second. I can use this to calculate the initial velocity to be 10.06. Then I can use kinematics to find the deceleration and total distance the train traveled. Then I can use the work energy formula to find the kinetic friction coefficient to be 126. Then I can find the force due to friction to be 141 kilonewtons, and then verify my answer by finding the force of the train to also be 141 kilonewtons. In conclusion, in order to bring the train to a stop in such a short amount of time, Mr. Incredible's shoes would be required to have a coefficient of friction far higher than any material I could find. Also, I can assume that the force of the train would have most likely killed Mr. Incredible. This is due to the fact that only 4,000 newtons of force is required to break the human femur.